In this example, I want to show you what happens when the user enters data that can't be converted by one of the convert methods. So what I've done here is I've declared number of books to be an integer. I prompt the user, then I grab what the user types, convert it into an int, and plug it into the variable. And then I simply print this out. So when we run it, so if I enter 6, now, of course, readline is going to read that as a string, but that string represents a valid integer. And so when readline reads it, convert to int has no problem converting it into an integer. All right, so everything works as we expect. Now, let's see an example where we input invalid data. So now when the prompt for number of books comes up, I'm just going to enter some letters. Now, there's no way that that can be turned into a number, right? Because there's no numbers there. It's a string that represents a bunch of letters. So when we press enter, convert to int32 can't deal with it. So it does what's called throwing an exception. And in this case, we're throwing a format exception. A format exception is a good indication that, something's been entered incorrectly and something can't convert it. All right. So if you see the message here, input string was not in a correct format. So that's what a format exception is. Now, exceptions, there's a whole bunch of exceptions are a whole other topic we'll deal with much later in the course, but we can handle exceptions properly instead of just having our program crash. So when this comes up, just read the message, figure out what went wrong, and then just press continue up here, and you'll go back into this state, and you can run your program all over again.